In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful gold trading strategy that you can use to scalp the market. Although I may not actually call it a scalp trade because gold, you may think that you're scalping gold, but in SE, you are still getting very large number of pips movement in a very short time. But I'm going to be showing you a very good strategy that you're going to be using in your live account because I'm actually trading this strategy on my live trading account. If you look right here, you see this is my live account. Okay, so this is a live account. Okay, this is live account. This is live account. Okay, if I haven't tapped here, as you can see this is a live account. So you can see this is my name. Okay, Joseph. Okay, the brand name is FS Kings Academy. So this is a live account. So I'm actually sharing with you a strategy that I use and also my students are using. Okay, so I'm sharing with you a very simple strategy. Okay, that you can use to trade the financial market. Now, if you also want to join our via our signal group, we have a signal group where we give signals every day, mostly signals on gold. If you love trading gold, because basically what we trade is gold. If you love trading gold and you have a live account, the signal group is not for people that have demo account. If you have a live account and you want to join our signal group, then check the description of this box of this video. You're going to find the link on how to join the signal group. Mind you, the signal group is not free. It's not free. It's just but I made it a little bit affordable for other African traders. But I'm only signal group is only open for those that trade real account. Okay, so if you're trading real account and you want me to be giving you signals to help you grow your account, this account you are seeing right here, is actually a $1,000 deposit. I'm gonna be showing you, I'm gonna be attaching the screenshot of the account so you can see. So let's quickly dive into the strategy. Let me quickly mark up the chart so you see how to trade this strategy, because this strategy is actually an advanced trading concept. So you cannot just trade, you cannot just keep trading the normal way you usually trade. You have to upgrade the way you trade. Okay, so this is an advanced trading concept. So guys, I want to just quickly show you a very powerful strategy that you can use to scalp the market. This is a very simple strategy that if you can apply it to your, if you can just apply this strategy this exact same way I'm going to be showing you, okay, you're going to make sure that you're using the higher time frame. If you look right here, you see that this is the 1 hour time frame. So we're going to be using very simple concept. Okay, now if you remember very vividly from when you've been taught how to trade and from from those beginning stages, they always tell you that the trend is your friend, right? You are told that the trend is your friend. Why were you told that the trend is your friend? And also, you're also made to know that the market can either be trending, okay, or the market can be ranging. So these are just very simple, basic concepts that you know already. But I want to help you align your thought process to help you know how to approach the market properly. Okay, so guys, make sure you share this video so your friends are going to also learn from this simple video. This is a very simple strategy, but if you apply it exactly how I'm going to show you, you're going to also make profits. Okay, real money, guys. With this simple strategy, I want you to know that there are two things you're going to look out for in the market: the trend or market structure. Let's call it market structure. What's the current market structure of the market? Is the market structure currently trending, which is this, or the market structure is currently ranging? That's the first thing you're going to have to figure out whenever you approach the market any day. Okay, you may be a day trader, you may be a swing trader, but you're still going to apply this concept. And I also want you to know that the market is fractal. Okay, the market is fractal. What do I mean by the market is fractal? The market is fractal in the sense that the market can be doing almost the same thing on the higher time frame and on the lower time frame, like 15 minutes. The same way the market is going to trend and range in the higher time frame, like the daily time frame and the 1 hour or the 4 hours time frame. That's the same way the market is going to range and trend in the smaller time frame. Okay, so that means in every movement, the market is fractal. The market produces every single thing in every single time frame, but every single thing still aligns. Because if the market is actually trending on the higher time frame. That means any price movement or any price delay you're going to be having on the lower time frame is going to be for a very short period of time, because the overall direction of the market from the higher time frame is actually trending, right? So the lower time frame market structure and the noise is you're still going to have noise and pullback in the lower time frame, but those pullback is not going to stay, becoming choppy and stay choppy for a long time, go back, come back. No. If the market is actually ranging, the market is going to pull back, it's going to trend, it's going to pull back again, chop, then you see the market is intentionally going back upward very, very fast. That's what you're going to experience in a trending market. But in a ranging market, this is what the market is going to, do. In the ranging market, the market is going to move upward, come back, then range, then move up, range, move up, range, move up, then come back, range, range. Then this is what you get in a typical ranging market. But in every time frame, in every market, you're gonna have ranges. Why? Because the market has to move. The price algorithm that delivers price has to give an efficient price delivery. So you're still gonna have ranges. That's why no matter the point where you enter a trade, you're still gonna have little pullback. The market's still gonna touch red before it goes to blue or something like that. Okay, but now in a trending situation, this is the 1 hour time frame. If the market is trending in the 1 hour time frame, expect a bang, a move, a faster move. The pullbacks is going to be a very, very slow one, but the candles is going to be deliberate. Now let's move on to this next slide. Look at this next slide now we have right here. Look at this next slide. I want you to study these things, guys. You need to study this thing. Do not look at it that I'm just trying to show you some basic things, but these things are very, very important. Look at this next slide right here. What do we have here? This is also the 1 hour time frame, right? But we have a lot of candles right here. We have a lot of candles here. Why is that so? Because this market is a ranging market, right? Now, there's a different psychology, there's a different way price moves in the ranging market. Can you see the market pulled back, kept on? The market, can you see this particular area? The market sold when it got to this point. It ranged for a very, very long time. Look at this range here. It was a very, very, very long 1 hour candle range. The market was just stuck in this very, very small box. Then when the market did that, the market still pulled back. And came back again and broke this box, then came back again. Then the market continued playing, going back up, it come back again, play. So you have to understand all of these things. Some of you actually know how to trade. You necessarily know a strategy, but these simple things that happen in the market, if you don't understand it properly, you're going to be misplaced. You're always going to find yourself doing as if what you are doing is not working. Okay, but you still need to learn more advanced things like market structure properly, liquidity, order flow, and other advanced concepts. Okay, that's why I have the VIP group whereby I'm holding some traders in the hand, some traders that want me to hold them in the hand and teach them properly how to trade and make money, real money from the market. That's why I have the VIP group. So if you want to be part of these traders, you need more help or you need more guidance, then you can join my VIP group. So now, how do you now apply all of these concepts now to trading the markets? How do you apply all of these concepts? So you have to just know this at the back of your mind, okay? Because you have to look at the candle, you have to look at price to know what is happening. So my brothers, you have to understand first of all that the markets can either be ranging or the market can be trending. Now, when the market is trending, the market can either be trending to the upside, that's bullish trend, or bearish trend, right? The market that can be either in a bullish trend or a bearish trend, or the market is ranging. So these three things is going to happen in the market. So if the market is trending, it's trending to the upside or trending to the downside, or the market is ranging. So how do you know the market is ranging or the market is trending? You have to look at price action. You have to look at the chart. You have to look at what the market is currently doing. That is why you have to understand market structure. You need to even understand or learn advanced market structure. Now looking at this current price action or this current candle right here, you're going to find out that this market is currently ranging. That means if the market buys, it's going to pull back. You're not going to find a sustainable continuous push upward. No. Where you're going to find this kind of price action, we've already passed that level. We've already passed that phase of the market. This was when the market was trending. All right. So this was when the market was trending. From this point downward was when the market was trending. That's why we had this continuous push, continuous push, continuous push, continuous push, continuous push. Okay, so if the market does this kind of deliver this kind of price action, the next phase you're going to expect, do not expect this particular phase to continue forever. After you having this kind of price market or this kind of price action or this kind of phase in the market, the next phase you're going to be expecting is your ranging phase, whereby the market still comes down, then continue make noise, pull, sell, buy. Can just be a random price, anything. That's why you're not advised to trade when the market is ranging. If you are trading when the market is ranging, make sure you are scalping, because if you are trading when the market is ranging, you cannot actually predict the exact direction or the exact range that the market wants to maintain. Okay, so these are basically the two phases of the market. Now, how do you take advantage of this knowledge that I'm sharing with you? How do you now take advantage? How do you apply this to your charts? How do you make money trading the market of this particular knowledge that I'm sharing with you? First of all, you have to have a strategy. All right, you have to have a strategy that gives you a confirmation to enter the market. And second of all, you have to know where you're going to have a stop loss and where you're going to take profit. Now, where you're going to have your stop loss is going to be at the low or at the weak of any price point you're entering from. If you're buying, it's going to be at the weak of the next low below. If you're selling, it's going to be at the weak at the last top or last higher high from where you are selling from. Okay, now if you want to now take advantage of the knowledge, when the market was at this particular phase, the way you're going to trade this market is continuation. You're going to look for the continuation trades, continuation entry, in the sense that you can enter from here, because the markets from this point the market sold downwards and continued upwards. So you're not going to enter trade from somewhere around here. Like if you know that the market is currently trending, you're not going to enter here, because if you enter here, the market is going to pull back, and this is good. This kind of pullback can be like 50 pips. So you're going to wait for whenever there's a price pullback downwards, like at least like from here now to this point, the market pull back like 30%. So you're going to wait for a 30% pullback, or a pullback into a liquidity void, or a pullback into an imbalance zone, or the market's pulling back to make price sufficient. So these are just the things you're going to look out for, or the types of pullback you're going to look out for in the market before you now decide to join the trade. Now, if the market is actually now ranging, for your strategy here, you're going to make sure that you are not holding trades for too long. If you take any trade, like if you take from here, make sure you are scalping in a ranging position, in a ranging kind of trade. Make sure you are scalping, and may always have a very, very tight stop loss. Always have a very, very tight stop loss, and do not be greedy whenever you are trading ranging market. The truth is that you can actually make more money from trading ranging market, because you can buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell, because the market is going to come back again. Just make sure you're always closing trades in profit. Do not look at how big or small the profit is. So guys, I hope this particularly simple strategy is going to help you understand how to trade the market more. Guys, thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.